Hello and welcome to Paper Solution of Engineering Drawing, July 2010. Myself Arpan Pandit and I am from Atmiya College. In this 1 hour, we are going to see various examples using which method we need to draw following examples. The first example is about Archimedean spiral. Now, when we say about Archimedean spiral, a spiral is a curve in which there will be two types. One would be clockwise Archimedean spiral and other would be anti-clockwise Archimedean spiral. If it is been specified in the question paper that you need to draw Archimedean spiral using clockwise method, then you can use clockwise method, and if not specified, then you can use either method. Now we will have a look at the question of the Archimedean spiral first of all. Let's have a look at the question. The first question is about Archimedean spiral. We need to draw Archimedean spiral for 450 degrees. The smallest and largest radius has been given. The smallest radius has been given as 10 mm and the largest radius has been given as 70 mm. How we can start the procedure? We will see. First of all, we are having a given data. So first of all, we will write the given data in the answer sheet. Let's write the given data first of all. Given data. For 50 degrees, R1 means smaller radius, that would be 10 mm. R2, that is larger radius, that is 70 mm. Now we have got the data. We need to draw Archimedean spiral for 450 degrees. Its smaller radius would be 10 mm and largest radius would be 70 mm. Now how we can proceed further? First of all, we will draw a circle of 70 mm radius. We will draw circle of 70 mm radius. I have taken radius as 70 mm. Marking up a point on the answer sheet. I have drawn a circle of radius 70 mm. Using the same center, we will draw a circle of radius 10 mm. A circle of radius 10 mm. Outer circle is of 70 mm radius and inner circle is 10 mm radius. They are concentric circle as the center is same. Now what we are going to do? We will divide this circle into 12 equal parts. If we want to divide any circle into 12 equal part, 360 divided by 12, it comes around 30 degrees. 30 degrees each division. First of all, a horizontal line. Draw very light lines. First of all, a horizontal line from the center. Then put protractor like this. Mark points 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 and finally 180. We have got the points. Same way on the opposite side. We will mark points 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 and 180. We have got the points. Now we will join these points using very thin lines. All the lines would be passing from the center of the two circles. As you can see, all the lines would be passing through the center of the circle. We are getting divisions of 30 degrees each. We are getting divisions of 30 degree each. We have got the 12 divisions. Now from the starting itself, it is very better to give the nomenclature to the same, so that we will give the name to the points 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And when it comes to 0, we have rotated 360 degrees. So 0 and 12 would be the same point, 0, 12. Now, when you look at the degrees we want to draw is 450 degree. So 450 degrees means what? 450 degrees means what? We need to minus 450 minus 360. Once full circle would be 360, but we require 450 degrees. So 450 minus 360 comes around 90 degrees. 90 degrees we want additional. 90 degrees we want additional. We have started from 0 point and we have completed 360 degree rotation and we reached over here. We require additional 90 degrees more. So here is the points. We have moved further 30 degrees. 14 means 60 degree and 3 and 15 means complete 90 degrees. Additional to this 360 degree, we have moved 30, 60 and 90. That's why we have given name over here 1-13, because 1 and 13 would be the same. 2 and 14 and 3 and 14. If we have been given these degrees more or less, then you need to minus from this 360 degrees and then you can have how many divisions you are going to get it. All thing is clear. Now we need to start drawing the Archimedean spiral. How we are going to do? We are having this inner circle of radius 10, outer circle of radius 70. So this distance would be 60. This distance would be 60 mm. Now as our number of parts are 15, we need to divide this line into 15. Make sure that you are starting from the outer portion of the inner circle and inner portion of the outer circle. Now I need to divide 60 mm into 15 parts. So how many would be the division? 60 divided by 15, which comes around 4 mm. 4 mm would be the each division. Here I am taking down the scale. I'm taking down the scale over here. Marking from this outer portion, this portion, I'm starting from this. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Count the part also. Count the part, not the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Make sure that you are counting the parts, not the point, as many of you do the mistake in this area and finally leads to the wrong Archimedean spiral. Now we have got the points. Let's name it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and outer portion would be 15. I have given the nomenclature to the same. This is our center point C1. Let's say this is our center point C1. Now drawing an Archimedean spiral is very easy if you pass through these steps. If you have followed these steps, then you can draw Archimedean spiral very easily. Now take C1 as center. Take C1 as center. C11 as radius. C12 point number 1 as radius. Draw continuous arc till one line. This line. C12 2. Draw continuous arc till C2. C12 3. Draw continuous arc till point number 3 and so on till point number 12. Later on I will show you how you can proceed to the point number 13. C125 till the fifth line. C126 almost 120 degree arc. C127 till 7. C128. Make sure that you are drawing the continuous arc, not like arc like this. not arc like this, only a cut mark, no, not arc like this. Draw continuous arc so that you can have a brief idea how an Archimedean spiral is being drawn. C1 to 11. Don't miss any points. C1 to 11. C1 to 12 means that full circle. Now we have reached to the 13 point. So what would be the 13 point? Only arc till first or 13, only 30 degree arc. 14, arc till this point only, and 15 is the outermost portion. Now where this arc has been intersected to the line, we have got the points. Very simple. By joining those points using the smooth curve, you can have your Archimedean spiral. Let's join the curve. You can join in by hand also. That's why I have suggested to draw the continuous arc, so that you can have a path idea. This is our Archimedean spiral. It fulfills all the requirements. What were the requirements? Our first requirement was 450 degrees, 360 till here